Most people aim for bare minimum, just enough to land a job. But here's the thing, acquiring skills isn't about knowing the theory, it's about getting your hands dirty and actually doing the work. Let me tell you something. I wish I had realized sooner. Instead of wasting years and years in learning every little bit of every programming language in school and college, what if I just focused on JavaScript from the start? It would have been so much simpler, more practical, and way more impactful. Back in 2007, when JavaScript was mostly limited to web browsers, Jeff Atwood, the founder of Stack Overflow, said, anything that can be written in JavaScript will eventually be written in JavaScript. And look around you today. That's exactly what happened. Websites, web apps, mobile apps, iOS as well as Android, desktop apps, IoT devices, smartwatches, servers, all of these can be built with the help of JavaScript. It's everywhere and every company is using it in some or the other way. There are so many frameworks and tech stacks: React, Next.js, React Native, Node.js, Electron.js. The list goes on and on. You have probably heard of MERN stack, Mean stack, or Next.js full stack. JavaScript is one of the two most used programming languages in the world, alongside with Python. Yeah, we cannot forget the Python, and for a good reason. So here's what this course is all about. We are starting with the fundamentals of JavaScript, the basics, with a real world use case to make it stick. Then we will dive deep into problem solving, covering topics like HTML and CSS and DOM manipulation alongside. After which we will start with the projects in vanilla JavaScript. That's just a fancy term for using HTML, CSS and JavaScript together. Because trust me, if you can do it with vanilla JavaScript, frameworks like React and Node.js will feel like a breeze. Then we will move into data structure and algorithms, arrays, strings, objects, stack, queues, graphs, name it. We will also tackle popular algorithms like two-pointer, sliding window, recursion, greedy algorithms, and more. And no, this isn't just about acting interviews. That's just a side effect, that's just a plus point that we will have. The real focus is building skills and knowledge that last. We will explore low-level design as well as high-level design, master the MERN stack, and even cover how to deploy your projects on platforms like GitHub Pages, Netlify, Vercel, Railway, AWS EC2, Lambda functions, etc. And hey, I'll be live every week or two, solving your doubts and hanging out. Plus, I'll be super active in the comments to answer your questions. Forget the bare minimum, let's focus on real learning, real projects and real skills. Oh, and one last thing. People used to think JavaScript was just for the browser, now it's running everywhere. If you want to be a part of the future, this is the place to start.